Hi, I'm Gilles.
And I'm Dahlia.
This is Wednesday Night Hub, March 2013, Level 3, Week 4. We did a little routine today,
To teach you guys some awesome moves.
and it looks like this. So we start with a swing out.
Shoo, ha, shoo, ba-doo.
Ba,
Take
ba,
advantage
shoo,
of those
ga-da,
breaks.
ka-doo,
Ha,
ka-da,
shoo, ha,
ka-doo,
play with the
ha, ha,
music.
shoo, hoo,
Shoo,
ha,
ba, shoo, ba,
shoo-ga-da,
hoo,
shoo-ga-da,
hoo, ha, shoo,
big
ba-doo.
bushes,
Hoo,
yeah,
hoo,
hoo, ha,
ba.
pop, 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 shoo-ga-da, ka-choo, ka-da, ka-choo, shaka-da, hoo, hoo, ha, shoo-ga-doo, shoo-ga-doo, ha,
Another.
shoo-ga-doo,
So we're following our
shoo-hoo, ha.
pattern.
Swing out.
Shorty George. Hoo, ba-doo, boo, ba, ba. Hoo,
Hoo, hoo, shoo-ga-da, shoo, ha,
ba.
ha, shoo-ga-da, ba, seven, shoo, ha, hoo.
All
I messed that
right.
up.
No.
Just the last part. Everything if you guys was right. Sorry.
You guys know it. So we hope you had fun. We had a blast teaching
Yeah.
and spending time with you guys. So
We might see you next month. We're not sure yet.
Yay.
We'll see. Thank you.